Hi everyone. Okay, today I have a female plug adapter and a power cord. And the reason I have these out is because yesterday I went to play my ColecoVision and it wasn't plugged in. And I thought I had finished all these adapter cords, but I didn't. So the first thing I need to do is, this doesn't work for plugging into the ColecoVision wall wart. That thing is pretty big too. It doesn't reach the whole way to where the plugs are. So I'm making these adapter cables. For any of my devices that need, can't separate that need just a little bit more of a reach to get to the outlets I have them on. There we go. Okay, so see, I need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's take this out. I bought this at my local hardware store, not at one of the big box stores. So I try to support local stores as much as possible, because they keep local people in business. Alright, I am not sure which way this goes. It doesn't appear that either side is larger than the other, so I guess it doesn't matter on there. The cable, oh, okay, this has stripes. Or it's rough on the edge here. I don't know if you can see this, but there's some lines. Let me see. Yeah, this is black. So I don't know if you can see this, but maybe through the light. There's some lines edging on this side here. Yeah, you can see the light going in and out on those. And this side is pretty much just smooth. So what I'm going to do is take it that the smooth side is the ground and this side is hot. If I am wrong on that, would you please let me know? Like I said, I'm just assuming this, and I honestly am not 100% sure. I guess I could have looked it up online and done a little bit of research before doing this, but I just got home from work and getting this stuff, and I wanted to get a video of me making this, because for everything else, for the Ataris and the Sega Genesis, and the Intellivision, and even some of the others, I think my SNES or just regular NES, I don't have any video of me making these things. So I just wanted to show you what I did here. Okay, so I'm going to assume that this side is hot. And if it's hot, it'll go to the copper. So let's make a little J on it. Can I get it to go around? No. There's some really interesting videos on how to take your electrician skills to the next level. And it looked really neat. And now I can't remember a thing that they did. And I do apologize for having a really messy shop right now. With me doing these linear actuators, it's like my entire shop, oh come on, there. My entire shop area is just a mess, because I can't seem, I'm doing all these little wee projects, and I can't seem to just get the actuators done. They're taking a lot longer and more time intensive than I thought they would be. The thing about getting older is that you can't see as well, and I can't remember which way I twisted these. I'm going to try to get a little J-hook in this too. Okay. Let's see. I actually like the way this connector is a lot better than the other ones I got. Although this one was about double the price, but now since it's 2022 and after COVID and everything just is outrageously expensive, I guess it's not too bad. I paid what was it, $2.99 for this socket. What's going on here? Oop, too much. I paid $2.99 for this socket, and whenever I was buying these in, say, 2017, I think I could get 2 for that price. It's crazy. But this one is actually a little bit better quality than the other ones I was getting, so I'm not complaining. I mean, these probably would have been maybe $2 or $2.50 at the time each. Okay. Screw this down. Make sure I get the seams together. I don't want to go too tight because I don't want to strip out the screw then, because then I guess I'd be screwed. No. Okay, the seams seem to be together. Alright. It's in there. Now, let's go and connect this up to my wall wart. Alright, one other thing that I was looking for was my labels, and of course I could find labels for all different kinds of wires that I've made up, but I couldn't find anything for ColecoVision. So I'm going to make 2 labels for ColecoVision Power. Let's see how they work. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. ColecoVision Power. Cool. Okay, there's one. I'll put these on each side of the cable so that I know exactly where it goes. Alright, there's those. I'll turn this off. I'm going to pause the video now. Alright, here is the mess of cables I was telling you about. I have to apologize. Look, there's even a dead stink bug there. I have not cleaned this for a while. I actually have not been visiting this area for about, I'd say almost a year. Would that be it? Okay, so these labels have a little crease in the back, which is really nice, because I can take these pieces off. And then I'm going to take this cable here, try to get these ends to line up. Easier said than done. Okay, again, if you're not sure of any of this stuff that I'm doing, please do not attempt it on your own. This is working with live electricity here. And where do I have to go? Oh, I only have to go right there. So this cable I'll have to find a cable tie and wrap it up in the future as I come back here, revisit this, and do a little bit more on my wiring. But for right now, this will suffice as I am working on other things. But every little bit more I do, then the easier it is to play the video games. It's amazing how whenever I'm not on video, how quickly I can get these to go together. Alright, so there. ColecoVision power, and I'm going to turn the camera here. What I have here, I bought all these outlets, and as you can see, they're all labeled. So Coleco will plug in here, and what they do is they go to a bank of switches so that I only have one system on at a time. And this took a little while to do, but I have power in here, and then I have the power distributed to a bank of switches, and then I have it coming out through here over to all of these outlets so that I only have one outlet on at a time. I need to expand a little bit more and get this adapter out of here and actually put some put an outlet in to plug these in, or at least mount this so that things like the TV and the router, well, let me see it. No, it's not. It's a switch. The TV, a switch, and a wireless hotspot can always have power, and it can be on this extension. So that's going to be it for tonight, and thank you for watching. And remember, in this world that we're in today, just think how much better it would be if we would treat other people the way they wanted, or the way we wanted them to treat us. Okay, have a good night.